Kapit ito, mahinog. Guys, good morning, God bless you. This is the portion of Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. We have the one plant of jackfruit, fully of fruits, from the big and the small up of the last portion of jackfruit. We have the fully of all of fruits. There are so many fruits in jackfruits or langka sa Tagalog, pag pronunciation sa Tagalog langka, and English is jackfruits. There are so delicious fruits there in Bacolod City, like the durian in Davao or in Mindanao. The jackfruit is full of delicious. It's a very sweetened and very delicious fruits compared to the other portion of fruits there in the Negros Occidental, Bacolod City. You can watch any kind of videos, guys. Today I'm taking any kind of videos. I'm downloading my YouTube channels. The sounding of animals, the sounding of cars, plane and fire truck, ambulance, and other sounding of cars. Uy, nawala.